This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on an Indian Scout Bobber 20. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models, and may not represent production vehicles. Starting at the front of the vehicle, below the headlamp, you will find a vertical headlight adjustment fastener behind the headlamp, and another adjustment fastener under the headlamp for horizontal adjustments. Also, at the front of the vehicle, you will find the radiator. On the left side of the bike, you will find the ignition switch, battery charge port behind the ignition switch cover, coolant recovery bottle, shift lever, driver's footrest, oil filter, side stand, and drive belt. The left handlebar contains the clutch lever, mirror, mode switch, high beam and low beam switch, turn signal and hazard warning switch, and horn switch. Between the handlebars are the instrument cluster, USB port on the right side of the cluster, and the lockable fuel filler cap. The right handlebar contains the front brake fluid reservoir, front brake lever, mirror, engine stop run switch, engine start switch, and throttle twist grip. On the right side of the vehicle, you'll find the rear brake pedal, rear brake reservoir, driver's footrest, clutch cable adjustment, and the oil dipstick. Under the seat, you'll find the fuse panel, battery, diagnostic plug, and coolant overflow bottle cap. On both sides of the rear, you'll find the shock assembly with adjustment and the drive belt adjustment points. The VIN is located on the left side of the bike under the handlebars. The VIN is also stamped on the right front chassis frame behind the headlight. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.